Hi guys, this is my video for Internet Routing Protocols Lab about ACL, Access Control List. Access Control List provides a means to filter packets by allowing a user to permit or deny IP packets from crossing specified interface. That is, if we want to restrict something or allow something to only a single PC, we use this access control list. Mm, and there are two kinds of access control standard and ACL. Here is the syntax for standard ACL, and here is the syntax for extended ACL. This is what an ACL is. If we give an ACL command, and if we give no if we block FTP files and updates and webs for a particular system or particular switch of S3, it won't allow those files or protocols to the respective switches and the systems. When we say no video to the switch S1, and no access from S1 to S2, and if we give this ACL command in this router or between this link, it will not give access to S2 and S1, and there will be no access to video. This is actually what ACL is, which we have seen in the last video about extended ACL. And here is how to configure it. First we should give access list 1 and permit, and if we give this access list 1, this will create a new list and we can change it or modify in the list. Access list 1 permit any, which says it will permit the videos, permit whatever we say. If we say permit host, if permit, and if we give 192.168.10.10 0.0.0 wildcard 0.0, it will permit everything to the network. And if we say the host 192.168.10.10, it will permit only to this host network of 10.10. Here is the configuration for standard ACL. This is the given topology for this lab exercise, and here is the addressing table for this. Our objective is to plan an ACL implementation and to configure, apply and verify a standard ACL. Here is the scenario which is given. First we have to configure this network as it is needed. Now I will change the preferences. Here is the given topology for this lab exercise. This is what the given topology which I am drawn here, and here is the addressing table how this is I configured. Step 1, investigate the current network configuration. Here is I configured the network as given. And here is the network policy which I should plan an ACL on router R2, which it is not allowed access to the web server. 11.0 is not allowed to access the web server on the network 20.0. And here is the other condition, restrict access from 190.11.0 network to the web server at 20.254 without interfering without any traffic. A second rule must be created on R2 to permit all other traffics. The following network policies are implemented on R3. That is, a 10.0 network is not allowed to communicate to 30.0, and all other access is permitted. Here is the steps to configure this ACL, standard ACL. And to deny, this is the command, and to permit, this is the command which will permit any thing which there is no blockages. And this is to give in a single interface. These commands are used. Now we have to verify. There should be two fails, that is from 10.10 to 10 to 30.10, and this is 20.10.10, which is from I'm giving another pin, new pin. This is from PC0 to PC2 failed, and this other one is from 11.0 to 20.0, that is from PC1 to web server. It is failed. The rest everything will be successful. Thanks for watching.